What's up with y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP. This is a 2013 Chevy Silverado. Taking the radio out of this is dumb easy. First thing I like to do is come down about right here. It's not a necessary part, but it makes it easier in my opinion. We just want to pop that first little clip, and then you want to come over here with your hand. No panel removal tool needed. Pop that out. All that's going to pop out and pop up. And then this USB right here is the shortest harness. I went on ahead and disconnected it because I didn't want to pull too much tension on it, but this has more than enough slack in order for our bezel to actually sit on the ground. We got 6 7mm bolts, 3 on each side. Let's go ahead and take these out. Once we remove the radio, we have one CR10 antenna. You're going to have 2 small little block harnesses. That means you're going to need to use like the PAC RP5 GM31 for this, and the USB. All right, y'all, and that's pretty much it. Follow for more tips and tricks. God bless y'all. Peace.